Hey guys, wait. Before you scroll, today's conversation is going to be super interesting.
Yeah, because today we're talking about something almost every English learner struggles with.
Fear. Fear of speaking English.
Exactly. Like, you know the words, you understand English, but when it's time to speak, your brain suddenly stops working.
Haha. Yes, today we'll talk like real friends, share real problems, real solutions, and also some tricks that actually help.
So listen carefully till the end because we'll also share one habit that can improve your English faster than you think.
Okay, so let me ask you something honestly.
What?
Were you always confident in speaking English?
Oh, no. Actually, when I first tried to speak English in front of people, I was literally shaking.
Really?
Yeah, like my hands were cold, my voice was weird, and I kept thinking, what if people laugh at me?
I think most people feel that.
Exactly.
You know what happened to me?
What happened?
Once I tried to order food in English in front of some friends. I wanted to say, "Can I get one chicken burger?" But I got nervous and said, "Can I chicken one burger get?"
Ha 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 ha.
See? You're laughing.
No, wait. I'm not laughing at you. It's actually cute because every learner makes mistakes like that.
True.
And honestly, those mistakes help you learn faster.
But at that time, I felt so embarrassed.
Same here. But you know what I realized later?
What?
Most people are too busy thinking about themselves. They don't care about your small mistakes.
That's actually true.
And even if someone laughs, so what?
Exactly.
At least you're trying to improve yourself.
Guys, quick tip for you.
Yeah, listen carefully.
If you wait for perfect English before speaking, you'll never start.
Speak broken English first. Slowly it becomes fluent English.
Exactly.
By the way, how did you improve your speaking?
Honestly? At first, I talked to myself.
Same. I used to speak in front of the mirror.
Haha, yes,
Sometimes my family thought I was crazy,
mine too.
but it works.
Yeah, because your mouth gets used to English.
Exactly. Listening is important, but speaking practice is different.
A lot of people only watch videos,
Yeah, but they never speak.
and then they wonder, why can't I talk confidently?
Because English is a skill,
Right.
like riding a bicycle.
You can't learn cycling only by watching YouTube videos.
Haha, exactly.
You know what funny thing happened to me in school?
Tell me.
Teacher asked me, "What is your hobby?" I wanted to say, "I like singing."
And
I accidentally said, "I like crying."
hahaha.
At that moment, I wanted to disappear.
But now it became a funny memory.
Yeah,
See, guys? Mistakes feel painful at first, but later they become stories.
and if you stop speaking because of embarrassment, you stop growing.
I think confidence is not magic.
Hmm,
Confidence comes from repetition.
true.
Like, when you do something every day, your fear slowly disappears.
Yeah. At first, even saying hello feels scary.
Then, one day you suddenly realize, wait, I'm actually speaking English naturally.
That feeling is amazing.
Very amazing.
Sometimes learners compare themselves with fluent speakers.
That's dangerous
Exactly.
because you're comparing your beginning with someone else's years of practice.
Beautifully said.
Haha, thank you.
Guys, pause for 1 second.
We want you to do something.
After listening to this conversation, try speaking for just 2 minutes in English, any topic.
Your day, your school, your job, your crush, anything. And don't worry about grammar too much.
Because fluency first, perfection later.
Do you think social media helps English learners?
Depends.
Meaning?
Meaning, if you only scroll mindlessly, then no.
True.
But if you watch English content daily, repeat sentences, shadow native speakers, then yes,
Yes, shadowing is powerful.
very powerful.
Guys, shadowing means listening and repeating immediately.
Like copying pronunciation, pauses, emotions, everything.
Exactly.
I improved a lot using that method.
Same.
Can I say something honestly? Sometimes I felt sad seeing others speak fluent English.
I understand.
I used to think maybe I'm not smart enough.
No. It's not about intelligence. It's about consistency. Many fluent speakers were once beginners too.
That's true, actually.
Nobody starts fluent.
Yeah.
Even babies speak broken language first.
Haha, true. Okay, controversial question.
Oh, tell me.
Is grammar more important or speaking practice?
Okay. I'd say speaking practice.
Really?
Yeah, because many people know grammar but still can't speak.
Valid point.
What about you?
I think basic grammar is important,
Yeah, basic grammar definitely matters.
but overthinking grammar destroys confidence.
Exactly.
People try to make every sentence perfect.
And then they become silent.
Haha, yes,
Okay, let's help the audience practically.
good idea.
Suppose someone wants to improve English fast. What should they do daily?
First, listen to English for 20 minutes.
Movies, podcasts, conversations, anything.
Then speak for 10 minutes.
Even alone is okay.
Then learn 5 useful sentences.
Not difficult words
Useful daily sentences.
like, what are you doing? I'm feeling tired today. That makes sense.
Exactly.
Simple English is powerful English.
Can I ask something random?
Haha. Okay.
Why do girls speak English so confidently sometimes?
Excuse me?
I'm serious.
Maybe because girls practice more.
Or maybe because girls talk more.
Ha. Wow.
I'm just saying.
Boys also talk a lot with friends.
Not in English, though.
Fair enough.
Actually, confidence grows when you stop being afraid of judgment.
That's the main point. You know, improving English can change opportunities.
Definitely.
Better communication, better confidence, maybe better jobs too.
But people should not feel inferior because of English.
Absolutely.
Language is a skill, not intelligence.
Very important line.
Guys, comment mentally right now.
Haha, mentally?
Yeah, because they're listening.
Okay.
Ask yourself, what stops you from speaking English?
Fear
Lack of practice?
or overthinking?
Once you identify the problem, improvement becomes easier.
You know what I love about language learning?
What?
One day you suddenly understand a movie scene without subtitles.
Oh, that feeling.
Haha, yes.
Or when you speak naturally without translating in your head.
That moment feels magical.
And it happens slowly.
So guys, don't quit too early.
Your future fluent self is being built every single day. Even small practice matters. Even awkward speaking matters.
Even mistakes matter.
Because every mistake teaches something.
Next time we should talk about relationships in English.
Oh, that will be dangerous.
Ha. Why?
Because then people will learn flirting in English too.
Ha.
Guys, if you enjoyed this natural conversation practice, listen again tomorrow and try shadowing our lines.
Yeah, repeat after us. Copy the emotions, pauses, and pronunciation.
And remember, confidence doesn't come first.
Practice comes first.
Bye, guys.
Take care and keep speaking English every day.